Alright, Mythic Crew, we're back again. So we're up in the garage right now, and I hit the Facebook Marketplace and I was looking for some parts for the RX7, trying to finish out our interior here, and I found someone selling a carpet and some door cards, and then a dash cover and some two bezels that they gave me too. So yeah, we're going to take that carpet, and we're gonna lay out this plastic here, and then we have some colored dye. So we're going to spray on the dye and get everything black, because we're going full black for the interior. So I'm gonna set up that big plastic sheet. We're gonna clean this stuff up a little, and then we're gonna get spraying.
So here you can see me removing the inside of the glove box and some of the lower dash pieces so that we can install more of the HVAC system that I went and picked up at the junkyard so that we can make this car have AC. Now I'm installing the bracket onto the side of the engine so that we can put the compressor onto this. Here we have the AC lines that we are replacing all of the seals on so that we can get a good tight system and not lose this. Now we're putting the condenser and the dryer in, and then we will have all of the systems and all the lines plumbed up with fresh seals.
Alright, Mythic Crew, it's the next day. I got the whole AC system in as I showed, or as I will be showing in all those clips. So I got a couple more pieces from the junkyard. I got a sub harness with some relays that we need for the front, and then I got the pulley for the AC so that we can put on the belt, and then we should be good to go. It's a little too hot out. I'm not going to drive the car to the shop because it's 113 today, and I'm not going to be able to film very long, but let's see if I can get these parts in before the camera overheats, and let's do it. Just great. Alright, Mythic Crew, we are back at the shop now. Earlier today I put on the pulley on the front of the crank, and I put that sub harness in with the relays, and we plugged everything in. So now I'm going to change out one O-ring that was the wrong size from yesterday, and then we are going to try to charge this system and see if there's any leak. Well, last night we finished charging up the AC on the FC RX7, and now it finally works. So I'm super stoked on that AC being charged because here in Arizona, when it's 113, it is way too hot for me to not have AC in the RX7. The blower motor doesn't blow super hard though. The fan speed seems super low, so I'm going to pop open the dash and try to get a look at the little squirrel cage in there and see if that's filled with crud, and see if we can get that out of there, maybe clean the contacts, just check it out and see what we can do to maybe make it work a little bit better. This whole assembly, I removed the plug out of the assembly, and then we just take the 3 bolts out of there and we can drop it down. So I'm going to do that really quick, and then I will show you guys what the inside of it looks like. You take the 3 bolts off, and then you drop this down. As expected, it is a little dirty. It's got some leaves in it and stuff like that. I'm not so sure that that's what's slowing it down, but it'll be good to clean it anyways. I might look into what one of these costs just to replace it, because I mean, this is original for sure. Honestly, it's blowing pretty good. All right, Mythic Crew, we are about to do something that I've been waiting a long time to do. There's been a few different cars I wanted to do it to. This RX-7, I know. So I had vinyls printed of my logo quite a while back for the 350Z, but they actually fit the RX-7 really well. We're gonna line them up and we are going to put them on the door. All right, everybody, so the camera died last night when we were installing the vinyls, but we ended up getting them on, and they look great. They stuck really well, so I'll give you a look at the car. So I think that the logo goes super well with the red. I think it looks awesome, but you know, that's gonna be all for this one, and I'll see you in the next one. So like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thanks much.